Hey everyone, it's Dee with DOUBLEBEE Crafty Creations, and I'm going to give you an overview of my next several videos where I'm going to make several different Christmas trees. I'm going to be using the mushroom knitting machine and also the Centro knitting machine. So we'll go through the entire process, but we're going to start off with this small tree, which is made with the mushroom knitting machine. This medium tree, which is also made with the mushroom knitting machine, and the large tree that's made from the Centro. Well, not made from it, but made using the Centro. So we also have some trees in different yarn, and we spray painted this gold. We'll go over those as well. We'll also talk about how we make the stands for each tree. This is done with a bamboo P1S, and my husband makes these wonderful stands for us. So if you're interested, we can put a link in the description below and get you some of those made. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Bye.